Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're breaking down how to transfer your Chainlink tokens from Coinbase to Bitmart in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, knowing how to move your assets securely is a game changer for building your portfolio. Whether you're switching exchanges for better fees or more features, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. First off, ensure you have verified accounts on both Coinbase and Bitmart. If you're new, sign up quickly. It's straightforward and usually takes just a few minutes. Once logged in, start on Coinbase. Head to your wallet, select Chainlink, and click the Withdraw button. This is where the magic begins. Next, you'll need the deposit address from Bitmart. Log into your Bitmart account, go to the deposit section, and choose Chainlink. Copy the wallet address carefully, double-check it to avoid any slip-ups. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Back on Coinbase, paste the Bitmart address into the withdrawal form. Make sure to select the correct network, like Ethereum, as Link uses that blockchain. Enter the amount you want to transfer, review any network fees. These can vary based on congestion, and hit confirm. The transfer might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's complete, log back into Bitmart and check your balance to confirm the deposit. If everything looks good, you're all set to trade or hold your link there. A quick word of caution: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your funds safe. Watch out for fees, they add up. And if you're unsure, test with a small amount first. Thanks for tuning in. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Let's keep learning together. See you in the next video.